Tundra TRD Off Road. To start off, let's go ahead and connect the phones. So go ahead and open up into menu. Go ahead and hit setup, and then you're gonna hit Bluetooth, and then you just push yes. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna find the settings on your phone. Go ahead and open up into your Bluetooth settings, and then you're gonna look for Toyota Tundra on your phone. You're gonna hit it, and then a key code should pop up. You just confirm the numbers, and then what will happen next is that it'll ask you if you want to sync up your contacts. That's going to be completely up to you. Give it about a minute or so after you answer the question, and then just give it some time to establish the connection. And then what we're going to move on to next is menu. This is going to pull up all of the electronic features of the vehicle. For this model, it does have the built-in navigation, so you'd use this like any other navigation. Search is where you're going to go to type in the addresses that you want to have it give you directions to. Destination Assist will give you kind of like a live concierge, and it'll give you reviews about the local restaurants and all that stuff. What you can do in favorites is you can set addresses in your favorites. Recent will pull up a list of all the recent addresses that you've been into. Emergency will give you a list of all the local hospitals, police stations, fire stations, and all that stuff. And then when you hit down, you have the addresses, the point of interest, which will give you a list of all the local restaurants, gas stations, and all that stuff. Moving onward into menu, going in here to audio. So these are all the audio sources for this vehicle. This vehicle does have XM radio. That is going to be free for 3 months. If you ever wanted to save radio presets, you do have 36 radio presets. So you would just go to the radio station, and then you just push and hold any one of these buttons to hear that beep. Once you hear that beep, it's now going to be saved as a preset. Now, going back into menu, once you connect your phone, when you hit the phone button, it'll give you a list of all the contacts, call histories, and all that stuff. And then